Hey everyone, in this video we're going to install R and RStudio on our own machines. I'm starting off by going to the University Library's research guide for R at libguides.wustl.edu/R. Then I'm going to go to the Installing R and RStudio menu item on the left. The first thing that we need to do is install the R programming language itself. So what we'll do is we'll follow this link to the CRAN network page, and we'll select the version of R for my operating system. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to choose the Download R for Mac, but Linux and Windows options are also available. On this page, I'm going to find the latest release and download the package file. And I'll just download this to my desktop. My package is finished downloading, so I'll minimize my web browser and go to my desktop, and here is that package file. I'll double click and we'll walk through these steps from the installer. Agree to the license. Type in my password. And my installation was successful. I can close out of that. Since I have R installed, I can go ahead and work with R in the command line if I wanted to, but what most people choose to do is work with R using RStudio, an integrated development environment, or IDE for R. So I'll go back to my web browser and go back to the University Library's R research guide. I can see that the next step here is installing RStudio. So I'll click on this, which takes me to the RStudio page. And I can go to products, and what I want is RStudio. If I scroll down, it tells me there are two versions of RStudio. I'm going to choose RStudio Desktop, and I'm going to select the open source edition, which is adequate for most applications. Download RStudio Desktop. So I'll choose my version, and for now, I'll choose the free version here. And it automatically recognizes that I'm using a Mac, so I'll download RStudio for Mac. You can see here that I've already performed this step of installing R. And I'll install this DMG file to my desktop. And that's going to download. Okay, my file has finished downloading. So I'll minimize my web browser and go to my desktop where I can see this RStudio DMG. I'll double click on that and the installer will start. And all I need to do here is just take the RStudio and drag it into my applications folder. Now I already have a version of RStudio in that folder, so I will go ahead and just say replace. And this is going to replace my older version of RStudio with the newer version. Now that that's done, I can go to my Finder and type in RStudio. And I will go ahead and open it. Sure. And now I have my new version of RStudio. I can check the version of RStudio by going to Help, About RStudio, and I can see that this is version 1.3.1, which matches the version that I downloaded. And there you have it. There is how to install R and RStudio on your own machine. Thanks for watching.